Hello, Class 8th. Today we are going to learn the poem Geography Lesson from the textbook Honeydew. So, this is the lesson Geography Lesson poem. Let's read out the poem. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw from 10,000 feet above the ground? Neatly planned and perfect in proportion like a geometric design. It would strike you as something very different from what it is actually is while you are in the thick of it. Yes, here is a poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. And it is the picture that what we will discuss in the poem that I shall read out to you today. But before going to that, let me recite the poem background about the poet in this case. This poem was written by Zulfikar Ghosh. He was born on 13th of March 1935 at Sialkot in Pakistan. He writes novels, poetry, and criticism around the topic of the cultural alienation that we were facing at the back of time. Ghosh's first novel, The Contradictions, explored the cultural differences of the Western and Eastern cultures and their way lives in the books. His other works include The Murder of Aziz Khan, Crumb's Terms, Holmes' investigation into the Bohat script, a new history of Torments, Don Bueno, Figures of Enchantment, The Trip Minor of the Self Shakespeare's Mortal Knowledge, a reading of tragedies. A ghost poem are often about travels and memories. The poem Geography Lesson based on one of his travel experiences by an aeroplane. He goes on to describe the difference and thus he goes on higher and higher in the aeroplane as he recites the poem. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing its scale 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran and why the valleys were populated. The logic of geography that land and water attracted man was clearly delineated when the jet reached 10,000 feet. When the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear the earth was round and that it had more sea than land. But it was difficult to understand that the man on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill. From that height, it was not clear why. Zulfikar Ghosh's Now we had read the poem. Let us understand the poem given of which completely then the poem describes the poet's opinion. On the land below, when viewed from the sky, he finds that as he continues to fly higher, the earth becomes more and more attractive. As the poet moves higher, he realizes the country is full of cities and valleys. Thus made him realize that the poem are completely people are completely dependent upon the land and water for the existence at one point of time. The poet also realizes that there are more water on the earth than the land. But still, he can't understand why there are many boundaries and walls that people put up. What is the cause of the hatred? Why the people kill each other? So, this is the poem, children. Let me tell you the first stanza. What is the first stanza here? See, here the poet is traveling by an aeroplane. He was going up and up, higher and higher. When he was at a point of there, when he was at 6 inches of to the mile, he saw that the ground looked like haphazard and unplanned. Means he says that there is a no plan. There is no proper plan or a map he has given on here. Then when he goes to the next 10,000 feet above, means when he moved in the aeroplane to the higher stage, there he saw the cities where the rivers ran and were populated, and their valleys were populated. Means here in the first stanza he came to know that there is no particular map or no particular plan. Then coming to the second, when he flew higher and higher, there he says that the total land is covered with rivers and valleys. Yes, then he says that the geography, the map is covered with land and water. When the jet rose 6 miles high, means when he flew higher and higher, then he came to know that the earth was round and it is covered with sea than land. Means he says that the earth is fully covered with water than the land, and he came to know that the people need water and air, water and land for their existence. But last, it is difficult to understand that men on the earth found causes to hate. But at last, when he flew more higher and higher, he came to know that the cities are covered with walls and boundaries. Those are the people's hatreds who hate each other and kill each other. This is what the poet has the confusion of why the people have their boundaries. That is what the poem Zulfikar Ghosh describes. Let's read out the meanings, and I will give you the question answers. Please make it note down in fair. Thank you.